Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you why Mistplay is way better than FreeCash or any other app. Okay, now follow me now here because this is going to get real technical and it's going to get technical quick, okay? And this is just about finance and, how to get money quickly and easily and, so on and so forth, okay? Now, if you have a job and a life, okay, playing a mobile app game may take a lot for you, okay? And FreeCash is another game, another app that allows you to play games to get money, for certain achievements and goals. Okay. Now, if you go to Solitary Disney right here, okay, and I click on it, wait, let me go back. I don't, okay. Let me tap on it here, okay? You tap on it and it says complete scene 6, complete scene 9, complete scene 15, okay? You get $300. You get, scene 20, you get $300. Dang, you get bread, but this is burning reward, okay? This actually takes a very, very long time to actually get there. Trust me, if you go on ChatGPT. Matter of fact, okay, so right now it says from scene 6, it takes a few days. So a few days is, it could be 6 days. You know what I'm saying? So it's really impossible to get these burning rewards. So if you really look at it, you're gonna play for 7 days and get 49 cents. That sucks. And to complete these, you get 49 cents, 67 cents, a dollar. It's really terrible. But now look at Misplay. Okay, Misplay, and this is why Misplay is better than most apps, even Free Cash. And a lot of people talk about Free Cash, but it's terrible. I mean, it's good, but it's not better than Misplay. You know why? Because Misplay, you get money for just playing the game. There's no goals here. There's absolutely no goalposts, okay? So now look, I just clicked on a game, a boosted game, and I'm going to explain to you what Misplay does, okay? So Misplay, you get units, okay? Each checkpoint, okay? Do you know what a checkpoint is? A checkpoint is how long you've been playing in the game. Play for 3 minutes to reach the checkpoint, okay? You get 160 coins for reaching the checkpoint, and you get more and more and more each time. You get a numerous amount of checkpoint. I think it's 20 checkpoints you get to, but trust me, when you get these gems, gems give you money, okay? These units, sorry, units give you money, gems give you money, okay? You get units for each checkpoint, okay? So if we go back here, I'm going to show you what these units mean, okay? So you get an 8 times boost of units. Okay, so let's go to the shop. All right, and let's go to gift cards here, okay? All right, so for 10 units, you get 2 gems, which 2 gems I'm going to show you. Okay, so 2 gems means you get 10 units. Sorry. So each time you get a gem, so each time you spend a dollar or $2 or an amount of money on each app, you get more gems, which gems you can buy units, which units buy gift cards. Okay, so I get a lot of gift cards here. And as you can see, I just got double back to back. I got a gift card here, I got a gift card here, and I got a gift card here. Okay, I've been getting a lot of different gift cards on here, as you can see. And, I even got a 3,000 unit one, and this is for $10. Okay, so I have two $5 Google Play gift cards coming, and you can get Visa gift cards, Starbucks, and Amazon, and so on and so forth. Okay, and all you have to do is stay on the game. You don't have to complete a certain amount of things. Okay, so all you have to do is get on Misplay, download it, get on one of these app games, right? And just play it. You can keep the game open if you want to, or you can actually play the game. Either way, you're going to get money. You can keep the screen running, you can keep the brightness up, you can keep the screen time off, on or off, and I mean off, so you can keep the game open, or you could play these games. Misplay has a lot of fun games. Okay, so I don't encourage you not to play the game and keep the app running, for decades, but you don't have to do that. All you have to do is just play the game, have fun, because they drop a lot of different games on here. Let me just show you my stats here. Okay, so as you can see, I have 2,304,000 584 GXP. So that is game experience points. Okay, it reflects how much time you spend on each game session. For every minute you play a game through Misplay, you earn GXP checkpoints, which you collect bonus units, which you collect bread, you know? So that's why I say stop messing around with these long apps. Don't you cherish yourself? Don't you want to relax and chill? Don't you want to play some cool misplay? I'm telling you. I'm gonna find more apps like this, but Misplay is number one, okay? And trust me, we could talk about this in the comments section. So, and if you want to argue with me about it, you definitely can. But yeah, Misplay is definitely number one. And I mean, free cash is cool. You know, the $1,000 sound cool, but when you really click on MU Dark EPAC or whatever, and you notice all of this stuff is just for limited rewards and the lottery rewards, and you look at what you get, you got a level 15 in 3 days, for 30 cents. Are you mad? You go in here, you get $5 on Misplay playing a game for an hour or so. Like, stop playing with me, dog. We get bread out here. Misplay is the one that really needs you, okay? Okay, don't even worry about that. Don't even worry about free cash. Just download Misplay. I'm gonna put the referral code definitely in the chat so you guys know, because invite your friends and get bonus units equal to 15% of what you earn. Let's get it. Let's go. Come on, let's do this, you know? So, and I played 20 games on here, so I think I know what I'm talking about. 240 hours played, and I'm in platinum status. There's no other route you can go, okay? Let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.